Last time we were together, we used the QAR method to write several questions about Elizabeth Acevedo's hair. So what we're going to do today, in order to interact with each other, is take a look at each other's questions, okay? And you are going to respond to one another's questions. So I will go down here to the sample slide that I have made, okay? And there's no name here because it was just me, okay? So I wrote 4 questions here. And I know I told you guys to write 2 to 3 questions per slide, but I just wrote one because I'm using it for an example. My question, the right there question, was why does she use the word reclamation? The think and search was, in what ways does she compare and contrast ethnic hair with the history of slave ships? Under author and you, I wrote, why does the author seem to think that straightening her hair is a betrayal of her heritage? Wow, you guys, I had lots of spelling errors. Betrayal of her heritage. And on your own, I wrote, what is something you like about yourself that other people think you should change? What I want you to do today is I want you to go ahead and scroll through each other's questions. And I want you to find 3 questions that you are compelled to respond to. It can be because you're like, hey, I've got an answer for that. It can be because you find that particular question really interesting. It can be because you didn't understand that particular thing yourself and you would like to further investigate it. Any reason goes. I don't care. Okay. But you have to choose 3 questions to respond to, and they have to be from 3 different slides. So just like I've said before, if I find that like the first slide is by Joe and like there are 58 comments on Joe's slide, then I'll know that you didn't even try. You didn't even bother to read through them. Okay. So make sure that you are scrolling through, and even if it's just skimming at first, to find the questions that catch your attention, because those are going to be the ones that you respond to the most meaningfully. Okay. All right. So let's pretend that this is my classmate's slide, not mine. And I find one of these questions that I would like to respond to. So I'm going to choose, I can choose any of the 4, okay? And I'm going to choose this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight, I just double clicked on that sentence, okay, and highlighted it. And I'm going to go up to the comment function and I'm going to click on comment. And then I'm going to write my own thoughts or response or answer, so to speak, to that question, okay? So like one thing that I noticed, and if I go back and open the poem itself, you could actually see the text of it, and you're going to probably need to go back in and open it yourself as well. But one thing that I noticed is that she talks about people being stranded. Okay. And the word strand here not only refers to strands of hair, but also to being stranded, being left behind or abandoned. Okay, so it's like she has this double meaning, okay? We'll call that a double entente in fancy language. So double meaning of the word strand connects her hair with slavery, okay, the history of slavery. And that would be my comment. That would be number 1. So I put a little, comment there. I hit, was it confirm? You guys, it's been a long day. But I hit comment and it it shows up. So what you need to do is, again, find 3 things to respond to, and I want meaningful responses. So you see here that I just didn't write 1 word or 2 words. I actually typed my ideas with reasons and explanations. Okay? And that's it. That's all I want you to do today. Just respond to one another's questions. As always, I would like this finished by midnight tonight in order for you to stay on task and be, not falling behind in class. And I wish you all luck with this. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact me and let me know. You all have a great day.